Hey everyone. Welcome back to our English and Learning Talk show. Today, we are talking about something every student faces: learning.
Learning sounds simple, right? But sometimes, it feels so hard.
True. We study every day, but still feel like we're not improving.
Exactly. So today, let's talk about how to learn better, how to stay motivated, and how to fall in love with learning again.
Arjun, do you remember your first day of school?
Oh yes. I was so nervous I almost cried.
Smiling. Same here. I was scared of the teacher, the books, and even the bell.
But back then, learning was simple. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3.
True. We learned because we were curious, not because we had exams.
Yes. Somewhere, as we grew older, we started learning for marks, not for knowledge.
And that's when learning stopped feeling fun.
So, what do you think real learning means, Arjun?
I think real learning is when something changes inside you, not just in your notebook.
Wow, that's deep.
For example, when you read a story and it makes you feel something, that's learning.
Or when you fail an exam but understand your mistakes, that's also learning.
Exactly. Learning isn't about perfection, it's about progress.
Sometimes, I feel like students today are under too much pressure.
You're right. Everyone wants top marks, but no one asks if you actually understand.
Yes, we memorize, we repeat, but do we really learn?
That's the problem. We study to finish, not to understand.
So true. I remember once, I studied all night for an exam. I got good marks, but after 2 weeks, I forgot everything.
Happens to all of us, because memory without meaning doesn't stay.
That's a line to remember. Memory without meaning doesn't stay.
So Maya, what do you do when you really want to learn something?
Oh really? Tell me.
Step 1. I make learning fun. I use colors, drawings, or small notes.
That's smart.
Step 2. I explain it to myself out loud, like I'm teaching someone.
Nice.
Step 3. I take small breaks. I don't study for hours without rest.
That's important. A tired brain learns nothing.
Exactly. Learning is not a race, it's a journey.
Maya, have you ever failed a test?
Smile softly. Oh yes, many times. And I used to feel so bad.
Same here. I thought failure meant I was not smart.
But later I realized, failure is just feedback.
That's true. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success.
Yes, every mistake teaches us something we didn't know before.
So the goal isn't to avoid mistakes. It's to learn faster from them.
You know what, Arjun? There's a difference between a student and a learner.
Interesting. What's that?
A student studies for marks. A learner studies for understanding.
Wow, that's powerful.
Learners ask why. Students ask how much will this come in the exam?
That's so true. I've done that too.
But once we start asking why, learning becomes magic.
You know what I've realized? Some of the best lessons are not taught in school.
Really? Like what?
Like teamwork, kindness, patience.
True. We don't get marks for them, but they shape who we are.
Exactly. Sometimes, life is the best teacher.
And experience is the best exam.
Today, students have everything: YouTube, online classes, AI tools.
Yes, learning has become so easy to access, yet people get distracted so quickly.
That's the problem. We have knowledge at our fingertips, but focus is missing.
True. Learning needs attention, not just information.
Wow, that's a great line. Learning needs attention, not just information.
Do you ever feel emotional while learning something new?
Yes, especially when I understand something I thought I never could.
Such a powerful feeling.
It's like unlocking a small piece of your potential.
I love that. When you finally get it, your confidence grows.
Exactly. And confidence is the best teacher.
Many students are afraid to ask questions. Why?
Because they fear people will laugh at them.
But actually, asking a question means you're trying to understand deeply.
Yes. It shows curiosity, not weakness.
Every great scientist started with a simple question. Why?
And every great answer started with courage to ask.
Arjun, what keeps you motivated to study?
I remind myself why I started. I want to build a future that makes me proud, and learning is my first step.
That's beautiful.
What about you?
I stay motivated by imagining my future self, smiling, confident, thankful to the present me.
That's deep. Motivation comes from vision, not pressure.
You know, Maya, I once met a girl named Priya. She hated studying.
What happened?
She was always distracted, always tired. One day, her teacher said, "Priya, you're not lazy, you're just scared."
Oh.
That line hit her. She realized she wasn't afraid of studying. She was afraid of failing.
That's powerful.
Slowly, she started studying with love, not fear. Today, she teaches others how to learn.
Wow, that's inspiring.
You know, Arjun, every person we meet teaches us something.
That's true. A friend teaches kindness. A failure teaches strength.
Even silence teaches patience.
And every day, life teaches us to grow.
So, dear listeners, don't study just to pass exams.
Study to understand, to grow, to become your best self.
Every chapter, every lesson, every mistake is a step forward.
Learning is not about speed, it's about direction.
Keep walking, keep learning, keep believing.
Thank you for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this conversation, share it with your friends.
And remember, the best student is not the one who knows everything,
but the one who never stops learning.
See you soon in the next episode of Learning with Heart.